Cajon Boulevard in San Diego. This is my mom, Rosario Sotelo, and I'm Rodnia. We have been in business for 15 years already. I think everybody knows where we are. And today we have a special recipe. It's going to be a fun recipe, very easy. And we have the potato roll taquitos and we have the guacamole. So we are going to start with my mom. She's going to make the potato roll taquitos. And for the ingredients, we have water, we have potatoes, we have 2 teaspoons of butter. If you want to go vegan, you can do it like that.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, so we have a little bit of milk, which is 8 ounces. It could be almond or soy milk. And then we have 1 teaspoon of vegetable broth, which is here. And then a pinch of salt and pepper, and the corn tortillas to make the taquitos, and the oil, of course. So, Mom.
Okay, here we have the potatoes. We put them to boil. The potatoes
Okay.
here. And then after that, we put the water here. It's going to be 4 potatoes with
8 potatoes.
8 potatoes.
Yeah, we are
water.
doing for 4 people. So.
Okay, then we put
No, this is a real.
we put the potatoes. Okay, you put them to boil.
Just imagine they're boiling.
Yeah, let's do it because this is TV time,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, you got it. You got it. Just like Food Network.
Then when you have all the potatoes boiled,
Uh-huh.
well,
You
I have
peel
to
them.
peel them. I have to peel them, and they come like that. Then you put them.
How long, Mom?
It's
For how
supposed
long?
for about 10 minutes, and it's supposed to come just already done. Then we put
We're gonna smash the potatoes, so we're gonna add the butter.
Uh-huh.
butter. We're gonna
Then
put
the
some
meal.
Then we put some pepper.
Little bit of
A little
pepper.
bit of pepper.
I love pepper.
I also
You
love
like
pepper.
pepper?
Yeah. I like everything almost.
And then a little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt, and then we put the vegetable broth.
It's to give a little bit of flavor.
Okay.
So
And
remember,
then-
we're making it's for 8 potatoes, so it's about for 4 people in
Mhm.
order to do the roll taquitos. In this case, we're making a little bit smaller just to show how to do it,
Yes.
but just to have the idea.
Exactly.
Then you smash them when they are done. You smash them, and they come like this. Okay.
So let's do the
Perfect.
roll taquitos. Let's do the
And
fun
then
part.
we are ready to put them on the tortillas.
And you could do this ahead of time. You could make the potato ahead of time,
Yeah,
and then
you can put it in the fridge.
uh-huh.
No problem.
And then you
Oh, by
can
the way, we want to recommend our neighbor Lily. She made this wonderful mask and matches with our aprons. This is my mom. Please, Mom.
Wow.
Around.
Okay.
Did Lily make the aprons as well?
Yes, yes.
What? They're so beautiful. Yes, guys, check out Lily Couture.
Yeah, and here it's 4274 El Cajon Boulevard.
Yes.
Check out Lily.
On the boulevard, we always promote each other.
Yes.
That's the best.
Okay, so we have the tortillas, and we fill them with the smashed potatoes
In
here.
this case, we're doing corn tortillas. That's the regular way that we do it at El Borrego. Some
Uh-huh.
people ask for flour. That's the way we do it. But you can use whatever you like
Yeah.
or prefer the most.
Okay.
Then you roll them like this.
I had these the other week. They're so good.
Okay, you put it.
Well, you prefer this one. That's too much for you.
Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm gonna make 2. Okay, so you can see how they look and how.
So at home, if you don't have a deep fryer, you just fill up your pan with
On a pan,
Yeah,
yeah.
with
you
like
can
this
put it in the
this
pan.
much oil.
Yeah, this much just to cover.
Uh-huh.
It goes all the way completely.
Submerged.
Yes.
Okay, so you put them like this.
Mom,
then-
we put a little bit over here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna finish, peeling this side. The other one too.
Great. Okay, so
Like
you fill
this.
it both sides. A little
Both
extra.
Yeah,
sides.
the idea is when you bite the roll taco, it doesn't feel just the tortilla.
Yeah.
It feels the ones that has inside.
inside. Okay. Once you have them ready,
Mhm.
I have the fryer already.
Okay.
With the very hot oil. I have to try, with this. It's already.
You want a little bit more? Give it a
It's
little more
okay.
time. We can talk about the options with the roll taquitos. We
Yeah.
can put inside with chicken.
Yeah.
You can do it with beef.
I think it's right. It's right.
Okay. We can do it with lamb.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see it here?
Definitely. All right. So everything's completely submerged. How many?
Yes.
How many seconds or minutes? Is it
It's gonna be for, I think, 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah, 1 to 2 minutes.
You
Not
have to
too
do it
much.
very hot, the oil.
Yeah. The oil is hot. About 2
Do you
minutes.
have lamb taquitos?
Yes, we also do it with lamb taquitos.
My favorite.
It's very good. I don't know, the combination of the cream and the cheese with the
Oh,
lamb is
oh.
very, very good.
I eat a lamb burrito once a week from El Borrego.
By the way, the lamb burrito has rice. It's the flour tortilla. It's a 14-inch flour tortilla. It has rice, beans, salsa, and of course our tender lamb. That's the number one.
So good. So good.
It's almost done. Some people like, very tender, and some like very crunchy.
I prefer crunchy. What do you like?
I don't know.
Are the crunchy rolls tacos?
I
or
think
the
I like
softer?
I think I like crunchy.
Yeah, I think crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy. Most of the people prefer crunchy.
You can smell.
Yeah.
You cannot smell, but we can smell.
Yeah, almost. My mask is a little heavy. So when are you guys open during the day?
We are open from Tuesday to Sunday from 8 in the morning to 4 o'clock.
Okay.
And we are planning to open on the evening. I think maybe we're going to start on a Saturday or a Friday. And let's see if it works. And but we have this beautiful space,
Look at
we have
that.
outdoor space, and we are able to seat from 80 to 100 people.
Uh-huh.
But right now with this situation, we are holding 40 people. We feel comfortable. And we have a bar, and we're going to have the tap beer. And then we're going to make sangrias. We're going to make mimosas on the Sunday. So we have this beautiful space for everybody. So
Yeah.
it's a cozy, nice space.
It's awesome. With good food and nice people, nothing's better than
Okay,
that.
I believe they are ready now.
Oh, they look delicious.
So yeah, this is the crunch is perfect. So let's just start with the guacamole. Let's just settle this until it comes cool off.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay.
On to the next step, guys.
Okay, so let's start with the guacamole. I love guacamole.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't love guacamole, right?
They shouldn't be in San Diego.
Okay, for the guacamole, we have avocados. This has avocado. I love these, and a little tip, when you choose an avocado, you can just how do you say, squeeze it a little bit, but
Mhm.
if you feel like it's firm,
Mm-hmm.
like soft firm, that's perfect. And also another tip, it's about this pit, this pit. Well, you're not gonna do that on the supermarket, but
Yeah.
you do this, and it's like it's perfect right now.
Oh wow, yeah,
Yeah.
I would want to do that in the supermarket, but
Okay, so let's put this
Okay.
here, and let's take this out, and let's clean our space first.
yeah, if you open it up and squeeze it, then you have to buy it and then you have to eat it right away.
Okay, so let's do our guacamole. So look, this is the perfect avocado.
Yeah.
When you leave the pit, inside of the guacamole, it lasts a little bit more. So
Yeah.
that's a good tip too. So we have this, and then we'll put the other half. use a plastic fork, it lasts more the avocado. It doesn't get
not
black.
to become black.
Yeah,
Really?
the getting in touch with the metal,
Yeah.
that doesn't help. So it's better if you use a plastic.
I had no idea. I wonder
Yep.
why.
Yeah, because it's the como la oxigenación.
La oxidación. The oxidation.
Uh-huh.
They
Interesting.
were
metal.
getting contact with the metal.
Oh, really? Well, guys, that's a tip for the day.
Yeah, that's it.
I never heard of that before.
Okay, and then we have our ingredients ready. Put on the. We have. Give me 1 second. So here we have our salsa. This is a tip, and we use the salsa from el Borrego
Yum.
to give a little bit of flavor and a little bit of the heat.
And cilantro.
Yes.
I love cilantro.
I love cilantro too. So first we add the lemon. The lemon, it helps the avocado to keep not to get dark.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the salt.
Look at this avocado, it's so nice. It's perfect. It was firm, it wasn't that, it was exactly the time. Then we're gonna add a little bit of the cilantro
Mm-hmm.
and then a little bit of onions to give more flavor. And then let's do a little bit more lime. I like lemony. You like
Me
lemon?
too. Yeah, definitely.
You
It's
like
nice.
Less than good. Need the salt?
So how many times a day do you guys make guacamole?
Whenever they order. So we make it fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Did
Some
you guys
people
hear
said,
that?
yeah, I don't want the cilantro or I don't want the onions.
That's why
so
we
yeah,
make
we
it
made it fresh.
fresh.
That's amazing. What a great restaurant.
Yeah. And then let's add a little bit of the green salsa del Borrego. You like spicy? Please.
I like it. Yeah.
Oh, that's not one. So I think we're good. We have a
Look at that.
guacamole, and let's put the pit in case that we're gonna eat it maybe in 1 hour or right away. But in case we're gonna eat it right away.
Perfect.
So I think we are ready to start putting everything together.
Beautiful.
So this on the side. Let's clean a little bit.
So guys, the tip is to use plastics, a
Yes.
plastic device to get mash the avocado up. Use some salsa, that's a good tip for some extra flavor. And lime juice. Now we're gonna plate it. See how beautiful it is.
So we have here some of the roll taquitos. This one is nice.
That's correct.
So we got the roll taquitos here, and let's
Uh-huh.
put here some of our guacamole. ¿Me pasas un chip, María? And for the roll taquitos, let's put a little bit of crema.
Yum.
One chip here.
So let's shake it a little bit like a martini. Let's think that it's a martini in this hot day.
She
Whoops.
likes to drink.
A little bit. So let's put a little bit of cream. Many people doesn't like the cream, so
Yeah.
we can leave it on the side. And then I like for the roll tacos we use del Borrego cotija cheese.
Okay.
I love the ranchero cheese and also the panela to keep it like lighter, like a lighter way. So let's grate a little bit of the.
What's the name of it?
This one is the ranchero, and also the
Ranchero.
panela has less calories. It's a
Okay.
little bit lighter. Sorry about the flies, guys, but we are in the outdoors.
Nobody cares. This looks awesome.
So we already have our cheese here. I love this cheese. So for the roll taquito, let's put a little bit of our lettuce. And then maybe some tomatoes here. Got these fresh tomatoes, and then a little bit of more crema.
Yeah. Don't
and
be
then
shy with
some
that.
of the cheese. Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah, cheese.
And then maybe we can put some radishes.
Beautiful. Some freshness.
And what we're gonna do is we are going to try these roll tacos. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, and I think I'm gonna suggest.
Or maybe you have to try it and I film, but I will try it later. Oh, this is great. So that's easy enough to do at home,
It's very
really.
easy, and you can do it with chicken. You can do it with beef. You can do it with lamb. Like we're gonna pair it with these
Okay.
beautiful beer, which is the Colima beer, and then this is a lager. It's a tropical German lager,
Okay.
and look at this. Has like
Beautiful.
a lemony taste, so I think it's a perfect combination.
This is a great
So,
summer.
You want to try it? You
Oh
wanna go
yeah.
ahead?
Well, I have to. Yeah. I'll
I-
almost try it. That's
So I think-
perfect.
You want me to hold it and you try it and you let us know what you think. Let me bring some salsa.
Okay, guys. I'm not gonna show myself eating it, but just imagine.
Okay, so we are gonna put a little bit of the salsa,
Oh,
or
gosh.
maybe or the green.
Everybody who knows me knows how much I love to eat. Okay. Okay, bon appetit. Should I try it now?
Yes.
Sure,
Okay.
go ahead.
Guys, come to El Borrego.
Go ahead.
Oh man.
Let's put-
Oh man, this is gonna be a big bite. All right. So good. So good.
And
So
with a
good.
little bit of this beer with the hot
Okay.
napkins. We need napkins. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woo. Guys, make sure to come to El Borrego, okay? Thank you so
Cheers,
much.
salud. Salud, mama.
Salud.
Thank you for being here. We are here from Tuesday to Sunday at Borrego Restaurant, 4280 at Cajon Boulevard. If you don't feel comfortable eating outside, we have the curbside pickup, and the phone number is 619-281-1355.
Come and
Come
eat
and
with
join
us.
us.
Whoop, whoop.
Salud!